This is my new jerry-rigged compressor, which I assembled being on vacation in the Caribbean. So what I used is an old air conditioner compressor that came from 12,000 BTU unit, connected to a system of piping which has a check valve that's located inside here, going through pressure gauge, going through cutoff and pressure unloader for a compressor, and then I'm able to either use it straight off the compressor through this hose, or there it just started and cutting off, and then through this valve here I'm able to refill or shut off and disconnect the accumulator, which is a CO2 10-pound tank, which is able to support over 2,000 pounds of pressure, so I don't need a check valve on the system. And I can also, with the valve, shut it off, unhook it, and through the coupling put an adapter either to blow air or to go blow up or inflate a flat tire. So this is what you might call a redneck compressor setup.